Visi cooler and deep freezer monitoring, presented to you by V-Tracking. 2022 New Vision, digitalizing the solution to all your monitoring needs. Variable temperature control is a serious issue for beverage industries. Due to unmanaged temperature, these industries are facing an issue in terms of loss. These beverages need to be in places with controlled temperature environment so that the life of product doesn't get affected. We provide an ease to our client by giving them the solution to access and control the temperature of these assets and monitor the performance in real time. You will get an instant alert on the temperature change. If the temperature gets below or exceeds the threshold, our alert system will send the notification via call on registered mobile number, SMS and email. Not only this, but our monitoring system will generate a report of assets, door open or closed frequency. You can check the status of your assets within few clicks. Our device will enable you to get an instant alert on power failure whenever there is power loss, and you will be notified via call, SMS or email. Our refrigerator monitoring system will let you achieve an ultimate peace of mind, knowing that your refrigerators are being monitored round the clock. With our geofencing technology, attain the real-time tracking of your assets and is certain the safety of your equipment, knowing where they are at all times. This also validates the positioning of your assets and sends alerts if there is any unauthorized movement or relocation of the asset. Issues were brought to light in a survey conducted, most of which revolved around compressor replacement, from unscheduled replacements to theft. V-Tracking brought this issue to a close by placing a sensor beneath the compressor, where, if removed, the sensor will send a notification alert. Our refrigerator monitoring system also monitors deep freezer to ultra-low freezing temperatures so that you can know and prove that the temperatures remained in the correct range. Thinking ahead is an early warning system over detailed data logs and reports to demonstrate compliance. Geofencing, compressor removal alert, location monitoring, temperature changes, temperature monitoring, alerts on temperature low, alerts on power outage, notification over temperature drop, commercial power on and off. Thank you for watching. For further details and queries, contact 0304 111 777 8 or email us sales@vtracking.com.